Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade binary options. And today we are gonna continue completing our challenge from $1 to $100,000, guys. And in the previous video we stopped right here. We've managed to make up to $25,000. So let's multiply this money to get closer to our goal. Today we are gonna use the following indicators. The first one is the Keltner Channel. We keep the settings as they are. They work out perfectly on a 1 minute time frame, and we are gonna add two stochastic indicators. The first one is gonna be with period of 7, and there we go. And we keep the second one with the period 14. So we are gonna monitor the price dynamics. It be less sensitive to market swings, and therefore the upper stochastic will be more sensitive to the practice. Our main signals are the crossing of the oversold and overbought zone inside out of upside down. Well, be able to see that on both stochastic and of course several tricks on the Keltner channel. Okay, let's get started and find the first counter pair. So here I don't see a good trade entry so far. We continue to monitor the market situation. Let's stop right there and open our long position, guys. Select the workspace. Here we start from the upper stochastic. We see the reversal, the touch of the oversold zone, which is a yellow line with mark 20. And basically we are seeing the breakout. We also see the positive dynamics, and what is the most important here, we see the price entry the Keltner channel and also the updating of the local low, which is the second signal here. So let me point that out for you guys. And the following movement is gonna be the upside, guys. That's why we open the long position, guys. So we see a very nice pump here. Stochastic didn't disappoint us, and there are several seconds left before the closing, and our first 6 long position have closed with a profit, guys. We got more than $30,000 on our balance. And let's change the stochastic settings. Having analyzed the counter pair, I think these settings will be more helpful for us today. So let's carry on our trading session. So we had better open short position here. Select the workspace. We've opened 5,000 position. We see the crossing of the overbought zone on the lower stochastic. Let me point it out for you. This one, we see the crossing. It tells us that the price should go to the downside. Then if you look at the Keltner, we see the breakout above the channel here that happens. So the price movement is above, and after the updating of the local high, I think that the price should go lower into the correction. The stochastic tell us about it. If we draw a line here, I'd better do that more accurately. So if we draw the line, that's obvious that the price should go lower from this point. And our position and profits, we got almost $36,000 on our balance, and we've already made more than $10,000 of profit today. So let's continue our trading session and find the next counter pair. Well, continue analyzing. Here we see the crossing, so the right is. And to open long position here, I think the upside dynamics should follow up. If something goes wrong, we'll use the martingale methods and open additional trades. Now we open $6,000 position and we'll see where the candle should go. And we open more long position here using the martingale method. There is no other way to trade, guys, because we got a huge amount of money on our balance. Overall, I see a good trade entry here because we see the crossing of the oversold zone on the stochastic from the bottom up, and by the way, we can see the same stuff even on the lower stochastic, which is less sensitive. Theoretically, the breakout should follow up, and we saw a good correction here, and the price should start going upward from this point. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing of our additional trades, guys. Our first position have been closed at loose with code and not the best trade entry. So our additional trades have been closed in profits. However, four positions have ended up with zero because candle closing happened at the level of our trade entry. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, guys, because the martingale methods worked out perfectly and we are in the profits at the end. And let's continue our trading session. So I'm gonna open 5 long positions here. We are looking at the lower stochastic here. We see this crossing of the oversold zone and the price dynamics goes up. And also we can see the positive dynamics on the upper stochastic. So early on this correction it happened and the price entered this channel. And from this local low, I think the price should continue going up. That's why we open our long position here in general. I think we did well, so let's try to make $60,000 on our balance for today, and I think it's gonna be great outcome. So several positions went to zero and several positions was closed at loose. Let's try using the martingale strategy and open additional trades. We try to identify the bottom of the candle and I hope our position will be closed with a profit. In case this open end up with loose, we will open additional trades for a larger amount of money and the future price dynamics should immediately go up. There are 30 seconds left before the closing and let's just watch the price dynamics. Price has gone low again, but our last position have been closed in profits anyway. Not that bad, guys. We'd better change the counter pair and carry on our trading session. Find the next trade entry. The previous counter pair wasn't good enough, mediocre trade entry. And let's open our long position here. Let's multiply our position. Here is a very good trade entry for now. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. We see the rejection from the oversold zone. Here we see a massive support zone, the touch right here, and from the support zone the price should go to the upside. And overall we see the price enters the Keltner channel. And therefore we should expect a small correction and we are not missing these chains. That's why we open our long position. Also, if you look at the lower stochastic, we can find moving average at the oversold zone and we're expecting the breakout, the upside. There are literally 8 seconds left before the closing, and let's wait for the climax. So the first position are in profits, as well as the remaining 5. Almost 5 are in profits. The updating of the local low is happening. That's why we should open additional position here, like 100%. We are gonna identify the bottom, and let's open our long position here. In case the candle goes even lower, then we open additional ones. In general, the crossing is happening here. We see the signal, and I guess the future dynamics should move to the upside. The updating of the local low is also takes place, and it implies that the correction will happen in seconds. All our additional trades are in profit, guys. Finally, so we return to $40,000 on our balance. Well, let's continue trading. The market is really intriguing at this point, so let's find another counter pair. Here we're gonna see a correction at 10 seconds. That's why we open our short position, and we're probably gonna open additional trades, guys. Let me explain the principle. We should open a short here because we see this huge pump to the upside, and the price is currently above the Keltner Channel, and both our Stochastic are at the overbought zone, so we're waiting for the price to go down and open a short. So also the touch of our resistance zone is happening here. That's why the price is very likely to reverse. Let's watch the price movement. There are literally 10 seconds left before the closing. We have to open additional short position, guys. The update of the local high is happening here, so we monitor these points very attentively. In case they end up at loose, we are gonna open more position for our entry bankroll, and then we are gonna be in profits in any case, because we will definitely identify to the local high here. We open extra position for all the deposit amount, and we are gonna expect this breakdown, guys. So now things are really heating up, but these points shouldn't be should be in profits in any case. The correction is even here, and the first one are in profits, and we got $27,000 right now on our balance, and there are 30 seconds left before the closing of the last ones. And all our additional position have been closed in profit, guys. We got $60,000 on our balance. Great outcome. We are waiting for the correction, and then called the local high and the open right before the correction start gain movements. And yep, guys, so the signal flashed out on the stochastic. You read the second one, then the touch of the resistance zone and the updating of the local high. The breakout above the Keltner channel, and according to the strategy, the upcoming correction, all three signals played out here. Here is the first one, the second one, and the third. All of them played out perfectly, and our position ended up in profits. We got $60,000 on our balance, and I guess this is where we stop today with this would be out, guys. Also, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to press the like buttons, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments down below. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.